Moment: major bridge collapses in the US city of Baltimore after it was hit by a cargo ship. Bridge collapses after cargo ship and footage collision. Footage shows the moment of a bridge collapsed in the US city Baltimore after it was hit by a cargo ship. Were people on the bridge? We're not sure. Bridges don't collapse like that. Inside job. Oh God, people, why? A cargo ship hit one of the supports that not poor, ignoring its physical. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. How is it possible it shouldn't collapse even hit? Of course it would collapse. Basic physical tells you that.